37 years old and working as a government employee. Akong kanta, ang title sa akong kanta is Faithful Companion. So kung kantaha is kabahin sa pagmaisugon ni San Pedro Kalungsod nga ni labang og layo kayo nga dagat para lang makatabang, no, nga mugiya og mutudlo sa mga tao dito sa Guam. Music for me is a way of expression. Sometimes if naatay gusto nga i-express, no, pwede ta mo hilom, no, and in such a manner pwede sad nato siya ipaagi og music. So akong mensahe sa mga devotees ni San Pedro Kalungsod is padayong magmaisugon tunga-tunga sa mga kahadlok o mga kahingawa.
With your faith as our guide, you brave the distance of the night to spark a light, to preach the word of God. You sacrificed your life for His name, for His name. Amidst all doubt, amidst all fear, amidst all threat and the bouncing of the spear, through it all, you still stood tall for all to see that God is here for you and me. Blessed be. Blessed be. Pedro Kalungsod, blessed is your name. Pedro Kalungsod, your courage we proclaim. You're our friend and our companion, our patron of youth, our blessed San Pedro Kalungsod.
We glorify, we sanctify our greatest treasure, greatest martyr, our protector. When we're astray, you lead away. For in your most blessed name we call when we are lost. Blessed be, blessed be. Pedro Kalungsod, blessed is your name. Pedro Kalungsod, your courage we proclaim. You're our friend and our companion, our patron of youth, our blessed San Pedro Kalungsod. Indulge and grace us with your presence,
Hand on our chest,
we survive on the test of time. We pray. Pedro Kalungsod, blessed is your name. Pedro Kalungsod, your courage we proclaim. You're our friend and our companion, our patron of youth, our blessed San Pedro Kalungsod. Pedro Kalungsod, we praise your holy name. Pedro Kalungsod, your kindness we acclaim. You're our friend and our companion, our compass and our shield. Oh, blessed